Are you going now?
Yes, going to work.
Is work far away?
No, just nearby here.
Which building is that?
That building right there.
Do you work there?
Yes, I work there.
Is that your office?
Yes, my office building.
Is the building tall?
Yes, very tall building.
How many floors there?
About 20 floors total.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I love walking.
Is walking good exercise?
Yes, very good exercise.
Do you walk daily?
Yes, every single day.
How long is walk?
About 15 minutes total.
Is 15 minutes long?
No, quite short actually.
Do you enjoy mornings?
Yes, I love mornings.
Is morning air fresh?
Yes, very fresh air.
Do you have bag?
Yes, my work bag.
Is your bag heavy?
A little bit heavy.
What is inside it?
Laptop and some papers.
Do you need laptop?
Yes, use it daily.
Are you dressed formally?
Yes, smart work clothes.
Do you like formal?
Yes, feels quite professional.
Is that your tie?
Yes, blue work tie.
Do you like ties?
Yes, they look sharp.
Are you comfortable today?
Yes, quite comfortable actually.
Is it warm today?
Yes, quite warm today.
Do you like sunshine?
Yes, sunshine feels great.
When do you arrive?
I arrive at 9.
Is 9 good time?
Yes, perfect start time.
Do you always walk?
Mostly yes, sometimes bus.
Is bus faster sometimes?
Yes, especially when raining.
Does it rain often?
Not often, mostly sunny.
Do you like city?
Yes, I love it.
Is the city busy?
Yes, quite busy always.
Do you like busy?
Yes, keeps things interesting.
Are these your colleagues?
No, just my friend.
Do you walk together?
Yes, most mornings together.
Is that nice always?
Yes, very nice indeed.
Do you talk much?
Yes, we talk lots.
What do you discuss?
Work, sports, and life.
Is that good chat?
Yes, always good chat.
Do you like work?
Yes, most days, yes.
Is work interesting today?
Yes, quite interesting actually.
What will you do?
Meetings and some emails.
Are meetings today many?
Yes, 3 meetings today.
Is that a lot?
Yes, quite a lot.
Are you prepared today?
Yes, mostly prepared already.
Do you feel confident?
Yes, feeling quite confident.
Is your friend student?
Yes, university student actually.
What does he study?
Business and some marketing.
Is business interesting always?
Yes, very interesting indeed.
Does he like university?
Yes, he loves university.
Is he going class?
Class starts soon.
When does class start?
Class starts at 10.
Is 10 good time?
Yes, perfect class time.
Will you separate soon?
Yes, very soon actually.
Where does he go?
That building over there?
Is that his school?
Yes, that is school.
Will you meet later?
Yes, meeting after work.
What time later?
Around 6 this evening.
Where will you meet?
Same cafe as always.
Is that cafe nice?
Yes, very nice cafe.
Do you go often?
Yes, almost every week.
Is the coffee good?
Yes, really good coffee.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, both love coffee.
Will you talk today?
Yes, share our days.
Is that good habit?
Yes, very good habit.
Do you support him?
Yes, always support him.
Does he support you?
Yes, always supports me.
Is friendship important always?
Yes, extremely important always.
How long known him?
About 5 years now.
Is 5 years long?
Feels like short time.
Did you meet school?
Yes, same school actually.
Were you close then?
Yes, always very close.
Are you still close?
Yes, even closer now.
Do you trust him?
Yes, completely trust him.
Does he trust you?
Yes, completely trusts me.
Is trust important always?
Yes, extremely important indeed.
Do you help him?
Yes, always help him.
Does he help you?
Yes, always helps me.
Is that good friendship?
Yes, truly great friendship.
Are you lucky friend?
Yes, very lucky indeed.
Does he make happy?
Yes, always makes happy.
Is happiness important always?
Yes, extremely important indeed.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy today.
Is today good day?
Yes, wonderful day today.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, loves sunny mornings.
Will you say goodbye?
Yes, very soon now.
Is goodbye always sad?
A little, but okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Good luck today, friend.
Thank you, good luck.
Take care of yourself.
Yes, you too. Bye.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye. Take care, friend.